first, like list inter, you know about list in Python?
List means like anything that we are adding to get the outcome, any values.
Like, so first one is list, list
Hmm?
one, and then this is list two. So it contains first list contains integer values like
Integer
2,
values.
3, etc. And then it
Okay.
contains like strings like a.
Like we can give any value in the list, right?
Yeah, we can give any. Like we're giving like in first list we can give normal integers. In second list we can give strings, and in list three we add both.
So you mean this is the order, or we can give in the first list anything, and in the
We can
second
give
list.
anything, but like we
Okay,
need to
right
know
now
like,
you are giving like that. Okay, understand.
yeah, okay. First, until
Yes.
in list one contains only integer values.
Integer values.
So
Hmm.
list two contains only string values.
Yeah, second list containing only list value,
Yeah,
string value, and the third list contains both the things.
both the things, and also we can use boolean function, but true value
Boolean
true,
function, yes.
and then use like complex numbers a plus ib,
Yeah, understood.
like 3 plus I.
Hmm. Okay, understood. So if we write list one, and if
List.
we run, then we will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 output.
Yeah.
Okay.
So division. No. So you know about looping, for loops, loop
Yes,
statement.
no. For loop means after a particular like a completion of a one cycle, then again start the second cycle,
Yeah, iteration part.
and it's go to till to the end of that assigned value that we are given.
Yes. So for I range of ln of list one. That means
So four means for loop, and I is integer in range.
integer means like index.
Okay, in in means index.
Until like we are adding like here length of list one means here length one list is 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah.
Okay, list one. And length of list one. Okay.
So length of list one is 5.
Yeah, 5. Yes.
So we are like iterating from I value from 0 to 5
0 to 5. Okay.
until like,
Iterating. Okay.
so we need to
Hmm.
print like every element in list, no, list 1 of
Okay.
I.
Okay.
So it prints by all elements.
Okay.
1,
So you have
2,
given in the print command, you have given I in the list
yeah.
box, right? In square box.
So here list 1 of I means it accessing the elements. Like first for I in range of like length of list is 5. So it starts from
Mhm.
0. So first one is print of list 1 of 0. So list 1 of 0 is here is 1.
One.
So it first
Okay.
it prints one value. After that, so it goes like after 0 it iterates to 1. So list
Mhm.
1 of 1 is 2. So it prints
Two. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then
Okay.
5.
So you haven't given the end command. It
Yeah.
is not required. Yeah.
So here, comma, end equal to, so it prints in a one line.
Okay.
So if we given space, it prints space between the elements.
Okay. And
So
for the column wise, how we do?
for column
If you
wise,
need.
we remove the n value. So it prints.
Okay.
We remove n, it prints the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
We need in a
So
in a line. We
okay,
need to
so
add.
we have to write comma and equal to, and
So
then
in
that's
end equal to
two
its,
port.
yeah, end is used to continue that line.
Okay, understand.
And then like here, so in list one, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need to add an element like for one we have to add two, like 1 plus 2 equal to 3. You know how to do.
Mm-hmm. Yes, yes.
Then
Okay, so
so tell me the syntax here.
for what?
For like adding an element to list. So here 1. So we need to add plus 2. So the output
Plus
is
two.
like 3.
Okay.
Yeah, 3.
So like 0 plus 1, like that. The
Like
position.
so the first element index 0. So it index 0 in list 1 the element is 1. So we
That
need
is,
to
yeah,
so we
that is
need
what
to
I.
add 2 until like for 1 so we need to add 2 comma for 2 we need to add 2 comma for 3 we need to add 2 comma for 4 we need to add 2 comma for 5
Why
we need to
two
add
every
2
for
like
everything?
so we need to adding element like we need to increasing the value of this like we can give either 2 or 3 like you know or not that's why I'm asking so how
I'm
to
not
do it
understanding this thing. Like you mean
so
we are
here
adding?
so
Yeah.
here another list is equal to like something 3 4 5 6 7 so I need this list from this list so what you can do
Okay, so we need to add 1 plus 2, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 2, and 5 plus 2.
yes so how we can add
Okay. Okay, I understand. So 1 plus 2 and 2 plus 2, like that. We have to
yeah
we can add.
so how we can add
We can add by giving the position value 0 plus 2, zeroth position, which is 1.
yeah
Likewise, we can do, or is there any other way?
like for I in range of length of
High
list
in
1
range, okay. Length of list 1.
and then what we have to do
Then we can write uh,
so we need to add like so in list 1 plus 2 so we need to add 2
1 plus 2.
yeah
2, yes.
so in
Plus
print
2.
statement like in list 1 okay list 1 of 5
Mm-hmm.
so in list 1 of
Mm-hmm.
5 what we have one value so we need to add
1
plus 2
plus 2.
yes
Plus
like
2.
yeah
Okay, okay. This is
so
okay.
it's
This
a
much
3
easy.
4
Okay.
this much is very easy so that's
Okay. So I have one doubt. So for
yes
the syntax of for loop, for I means the
I means the
index value.
values no not an, like it's sometimes we use like index or like we need to like so based upon this like range so if range is 5 it takes from
Mm-hmm.
0 I value like we are given here from
Mm-hmm.
like 1 comma means it starts from 1 if we can't like we can't
Mm,
mention
okay.
starts from 0 okay like in
Okay.
list we can consider like as index
So we can here give a value
so
to start.
so here it starts from 4 5 6 7
Okay. So it started from the 1st position,
yes we start from one position
first position. Okay. So for I, and what is in you have written for I in?
for I in range means so like example range of 5 we're considering. So it shows
Print I. It's taking so much time.
yeah,
So what is he basically printing? This much time.
yeah, okay. It starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why stopped at 4?
Because we are
You have
giving
given
like,
the range 5.
okay, like
Okay.
we are taking from like less than 5.
Okay. Starting from I
I starting
and
from I means 0, like it
0.
can't take negative
Mhm.
values. So it starts from 0,
Okay.
so up to 5. Range means it's like when where to stop with. We have to know.
Okay. Understand.
And then you know about list operations like list up and
List operations like?
list remove elements in list.
No, bro. Tell me.
Here is a list. So
Okay.
in in list one we have to append an element like 6.
Oh, append means adding, right?
Adding, yes,
Inserting a value.
inserting a value.
Yes, I know this append.
Yeah, like appending or we are using like removing the element.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And then like these are the like basic operations we want to know.
Okay, understand.
So
So you one more thing, Pawan. You have learned this thing on your first sem,
like it's I learned in one yeah, I learned in second sem first year.
second sem about this list and all.
These are until like I learned Python in second sem.
Okay, so what you have basically learned in first sem?
In first sem I learned C like a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
and I do small coding like basic level in C. In Python I tried intermediate level.
Mm-hmm. Okay, understand. So how was your interview? I mean that college.
So that's are all like it's all waste of time.
Waste of time.
Yeah,
Like the company have not selected anyone.
yeah. Like in last MSG Global Solutions, like last I attended for MSG Global
Uh,
Solutions. Yeah, in Bangalore
on what level?
for
You mentioned on what level they have asked the question.
so I don't know. We are writing a written test like in online, like
Mm-hmm.
before Sankranti. After that, maybe we think about like it's just like an interview, technical and HR, but they they start GD group discussion.
Group discussion.
Yeah, it's for software development role, but they consider GD.
Okay.
So in GD we lost. Like in our batch, in 15 members, in my class 10 members and 5 from IT department. So all are not selected.
Oh shit.
After like interview is very easy.
Uh-huh.
So but wait, we are not selected for interview.
So like basically what happened in that discussion round?
So they given a topic about
Renewable energy. Okay.
renewable energy.
Uh-huh. And
So nobody knows about that. Nobody knows.
oh, okay, they asked about that question.
Yeah, they given the
which is
topic.
not
So
related to your
yeah,
topic.
so like we tried, but they didn't select anyone.
Okay, they didn't got the proper answer, I think.
Yeah, so we don't know about the exact meaning also. Okay, we can start.
Okay, yeah. Let's start the next thing.
So we can consider another list. Like here, list is equal to list of. So why you were using list? Is
Ah, yes. Why you are using again list?
wait.
So you are like saving another list in list one.
So okay, we are creating a list here.
Okay, we are creating a list. Okay.
So this like so in this list we are like giving a range like one to approximate like 1 lakh or etc.
Mm.
So like in list one contains like one to up to 1 lakh elements in list.
In list one or list?
In list one it contains like one to up to 1 lakh.
Okay, you are given the list range. Okay, in
Yeah,
list
we are
one.
given list range. So we can run
So it
this.
takes so much time. Oh, it
It takes
came.
yeah games. Oh shit.
Hmm.
Wait. So like we are increasing more and more.
Understand. And if you
So
add here end, what happen? It will come in row wise.
yeah, wait.
If you add end,
So print of
print print
list
list,
one column.
comma, end equal to, okay.
Any
I
mistake?
think bracket is not closed.
Yeah. So here we can observe one thing. So it takes more time to run like one to up to so much long numbers.
Yes.
So here that like calculating like how much it takes more time to run the like list elements in between the range. So if
Mhm.
listage is increases like up like we don't know how like the values increases more and more. It takes more time like here you can check. So it takes up to 3 seconds means and it like 300 milliseconds to run this program. So to
Mm.
run these lines. So it takes up to 300 3 seconds means 300 milliseconds. So like it
Yes.
can't print the output.
But it take more than 3 seconds, I guess.
Yeah, it takes more than 3 seconds. So in like we're using numpy operation here.
Yes.
So now import numpy as the right and then run this. So and then here given a so np dot range of so here given 1 2 so how many values are given? So 4 8 so 4 8
Mm.
and then we can print a
Okay.
here can show here it prints like up to 1 to around 9 like it takes very less time compared to list.
Compared to list. Okay.
So that's why we use numpy operations. Like it reduces the time complexity, like it saves more time to run.
Yes. It saves more time to run. Yes.
Yes. So this is the difference
So you
between
have
like
given the array name A equal to numpy np dot, and what is the
np dot
range?
range means it's like
Range.
in list we use range function. Here we use a range.
Yes.
So it contains both are
Arrange.
same.
Okay.
Yes. So it is a built-in function.
What happen if we write range only
Like it
instead
shows
of
error.
arrange?
Maybe
Error. Okay.
error. Yeah, error.
Okay. NP dot range is not like a valid
It's not a valid. So
syntax.
in NumPy we use a range function. So it takes like
Hmm.
milliseconds to run this output. But in this list it can't print the output. So it's
Hmm.
like it's ever to crashing it. So that's why we're using NumPy to reducing time, and then to we can print like max elements what we need.
Okay.
Like this is the advantage for NumPy. So that's why we can use NumPy for arrays.
Array. Okay.
So in basic Python we use arrays like list user for arrays only. So like in list we are removing duplicates or adding elements like checking the element is found or not. So we done so many programs based upon list arrays.
Hmm.
So if you use NumPy for some solutions, it takes like it reduces more time. So time complexity reduces.
Understand.
So in NumPy like data structures. So multi-dimensional array. Like it is
Mhm.
in one-dimensional array. Like it contains only
Okay.
one row. So it contains
One row.
like two.
Yes.
Yes. So in like it is a one-dimensional array. Like it contains like two-dimensional array, three-dimensional array, like n-dimensional array,
Yes.
like all of this.
Okay.
So so you can understand the like what is the difference between the list and the arrays in and NumPy.
Yes. Now I understand.
Yeah, okay. Whew. We can go to like
What happened?